my review of the chicken flinger that I already opened. Here he is. Comes with 2 chickens. Here. Yeah, enjoy this footage of us just flinging chickens.
Ready? We are doing chicken flinger. Woo! Chicken flinger.
Some chicken.
Oh, that chicken.
Hitching a ride, man. He's getting a ride. Okay, so our little chicken here has gotten pretty dirty from being thrown around and stuff. But luckily, it says that you should be able to wash it with soap and water. So let's test it out. Let's see if he's got some rubber stuff. Alright, just finished cleaning him. Yeah, right here. So, yeah, I mean, it still kind of smells like rubber a little bit. But, it's still on. Good. Clean again. So, yeah, I mean, it was only $1 for 2 of them, so if you were bored someday and you'd need something to do, I would, recommend this chicken. If I had to rate it, probably like 4 to 5 stars. But yeah. These were the Flingin Chickens. And we got them at Toys R Us.